Namaste, Vanakkam, welcome back. So today is 24th of September. So before going ahead, I have many of you telling me that the voice is low. Fine, yes, the voice is low. I agree with it. I request you to put your earphones and listen to the video. Right? Why? Because I'm saying that is थोड़ा concentration बढ़ा दो ना. Right? क्यों concentration बढ़ा दो कि भाई levels अगर ये सब चीजें को I am just asking you to give 20 minutes. Right? I have seen many of you are just watching it for first 5 minutes or 7 minutes and then closing it down. And then what happens? Mid of the market you get stuck up somewhere and you message me कि I'm stuck up over here, please help me out. भाई जब मैं बोल रहा हूँ levels to levels बहुत I did not say to भाई आप trade करो, आप at least check करो ना आप कहाँ trade ले रहे हो, where are you taking up the trades. That is why we are marking up the levels on a daily basis. No, that is the homework which we are doing it on a daily basis without fail, be it a Navratri, be it a birthday party or be it a get together. Without fail, if I am uploading up the videos on a daily basis, थोड़ा earphone डाल के complete video तो check करो. Why? Midway में कुछ न कुछ तो words आते हैं या मिडवे में कुछ चार्ट में और कुछ देख लिया, some sort of that thing happens to gain completely. No, whoever are watching it. And second thing, if you are watching it, give me comment something, what you like about that video, what you dislike about that video, and what you want कि भाई I want some more knowledge on this. Please share your insights on some other things. Give me something. No. Okay, chalo. So let us start off. Today is 24th of September and we are going to mark levels for 25th of September, right? So be going ahead, please see the disclaimer and let us begin. So what happened today? Yes, we have a green candle. 20. We have still not breached the 20 EMA. But can you see the 5 EMA? 5 EMA is coming down, right? So still 2 days to go for completing up this week, right? So what are we supposed to look out for? This is about Nifty. I have kept this Nifty. After breaching 20 EMA, 50 EMA will be the last stop, right? After 50 EMA breaking, then we will look out what happens. But this is on a daily chart, daily time frame, right? So 20 EMA पे एक bounce आता है. I do not know आएगा नहीं आएगा. We do not know it. So let us prepare for that. What will happen tomorrow and at what level, what type of a candle forms and what action should we take. You got me? So before going ahead, let us take a quick summary. Today we opened gap down right below our support, right? After that first level pe touch करके it came back again, and I always say you support will always act as a resistance. Support तोड़ने के बाद when the candle comes back again, तो support क्या हो जाता है? That acts as a resistance until and unless that is broken, right? Over here we did not get a breach, but over here we got a breach, right? But immediately क्या हुआ? We got a green candle, but it did not sustain and it came back again down. Say suppose you have taken up a trade over here, green candle form हो गया, आपने trade लिया, आपका stop loss ये है, right? But I have always, मतलब if you see for last 2 days I am saying taking up long positions has to be always on a immediate trailing basis. You got me? तो immediate trailing के basis पे obviously अपना trailing stop loss hit हो गया, निकल गए. I think so you must have got hardly 7 to 8 points. If you are in the money, 15 to 20 points, right? वो भी hardly है because आज premium eating बहुत ज़्यादा हुआ है. ठीक है, so we did not sustain and it came back again down and adhering to our levels. Chalo, what is there for tomorrow? Now this will go below. This will act as my support. You're getting it? And this will be my resistance. So midway ये है, you get this 20 EMA. Can you see this 20 EMA? That is going to be my mid level. If I open gap up, I will wait for support to get broken and then I will look out for going long, otherwise not. If a red candle forms over here, again ये level, this will be my first target and this will be my second target. If not, a green candle forms, I will wait for the next candle for the confirmation and then I will go for long positions. Till that time ये trend को भी वो तोड़ देगा. Did you get it? Can you see this trend? ये trend को भी वो तोड़ देगा. तो obviously trend जब टूट जाता है तो इसके ऊपर गया तो क्या होएगा? buy on dips हो जाएगा. Till that time, no. So this is the level 25,092. If I open gap up about 25,092, I will wait for the resistance to get broken, that is at 25,164. Then I will look out for buy on dips. Till that time, no. If I open flat or below this blue but above this support, that is at 25,021, I will wait for the 25,021 levels to get breached, right? Then I can look out for this level, that is 24,975 and then 24,918. Below that I am not looking out for the levels, but still I am keeping up a mark, that is 24,894. But I am not seeing below this support. 25,019 levels highly supportive क्यों है? Because one time we got rejected over here. Can you see this? Second आया नजदीक but बहुत नजदीक नहीं आया. Again rejected. Third again rejected. Then it got out. मतलब बाहर निकल गया. So when it comes back, what will this be acting as? Earlier it was a resistance and now it is going to be a support, right? So this is going to be a major support. I hope you all are seeing the same way which I am seeing it. So tomorrow Nifty, if I stay above support और green candle मिला तो एक छोटा सा risk लेके trailing करना immediately so that you can catch up a big move, right? Stop loss छोटा रहना चाहिए. Setup में देखना, small stop loss लेके काम करना, but short positions के लिए थोड़ा रुक जाना. अभी देखो last 2 days I was telling long positions के लिए रुकना, but today what I am telling, short positions के लिए रुकना, right? Because you got the reason. Earlier resistance, now it is going to be a support. ठीक है, चलो let us go for the Sensex. Sensex tomorrow is expiry. Sensex candle formation is also showing in the same way, but यहाँ पे अपना जो resistance था that is very very far, मतलब positioning बराबर नहीं है. जो निफ्टी में जैसे positioning था, the way we saw it in Nifty is not there in Sensex. So this we cannot say this as a support zone but let us mark this and let us move ahead how it is going to work. Sensex also same way Nifty जैसे ही है, so I am not elaborating the summary again. So in Sensex, this is going to be my support, the high of this. You got it? High of this is going to be my support. This is going to be my mid level, that is at 20 EMA, and this is going to be my resistance. After breaking the resistance, I can look out for 82,156 and then 82,376. That is after breaching 82,000 levels only, otherwise not. 81,741. If I am opening gap up above 81,741, wait for 15 minutes. Wait for 15 minutes, and if it doesn't goes below the blue line, which is at 81,741, you can, sorry, 81,812, you can look out for buy on dips, but let trend थोड़ा confirmation चाहिए, because down trend का up trend का confirmation, once this gets 82,000 levels get broken, then only we can see it up, otherwise not. So if I open below my support, which is at 81,649 levels, I can look out for 81,450 levels and then 81,195 levels. Okay? So this is about Sensex and Nifty. Sensex tomorrow is expiry, so trade little carefully. Premiums eating करने का ज़्यादा chances है. Bank Nifty moving slowly ahead. So now this is going to be my support. See, one time support लेके up गया, वापस फिर support को तोड़ा, and वापस it got breached. See, earlier support दिख रहा है, so Bank Nifty huge support पे है अभी, and this is going to be my resistance for tomorrow. And if I break this resistance, I can look out for first level, and then this is going to be my second level. Downside, yeah, downside, these are the levels. So if I break my support, that is at 55,046 levels, we can look out for 54,953 and 54,824. If I open gap up, that is above 55,182, wait for the resistance to get broken, that is at 55,280 levels, then you can look out for 55,390 and 55,470. Till that time, no. Okay? So these are Nifty, Bank Nifty and Sensex levels. I am not discussing about the levels of Midcap Nifty. Okay? So now let us look out for the stocks which we are holding. ABB, did we get an entry? I think so, we got an entry. Daily पे है क्या? I'm just not. Yeah. So ABB, we have got an entry. Can you see it? See, we discussed when ABB was trading at 5,330 above levels, and we were waiting for an entry at 5,250 levels. Did we get an entry? Yes, we got an entry. SL hit हुआ तो hit होएगा. It is, we have to accept it in that way. ठीक है? So ABB, we have got an entry today. Swiggy, I'm not yet planning to take up an entry. we are waiting for 420 levels, 427 levels, right? Tata Motors, yes, we got an entry, right? But मैंने बोला था थोड़ा in depth जाएगा तो वहां पे एंट्री लेना. So this is a little bit of an in depth. Tomorrow we can take up an entry at around 675 levels, or else if it starts moving up we will take up an entry immediately. ठीक है. Trend stop loss is not hit. Actually yesterday there is a small correction in the video which I have uploaded. Trend stop loss is not hit. It is still there, right? It is still there. We can add up little bit. See, we are holding only 30%, right? So we can add up another 30% at these levels. ठीक है. Fed Fina at cost still. Dixon still waiting for it to 19,000 levels is our target. We are waiting for it. Oro Pharma again at cost. Reliance below the cost. TCS 65 rupees below cost. Motherson Sumi little bit in profit. IGIL sorry around 30 rupees profits into profits. Asian Paints now I have lost the interest in Asian Paints, I would say, because it is still not crossing our entry level which we took at 25,000 2,500 something, right? Security again same. BDL I think so we are still little bit in profits, not completely in profits. HL we missed our target by few points. Dekho, see, that's what what is the learning over here. This is the second time which we have missed the target by few points, right? Earlier it was persistent, right? And then we have to come out at a little bit of loss. So HAL again this. So that's why I always say कि भाई हम भाजी market में तो नहीं आए. So do not bargain for the price. If you are planning an entry at say around 4,500 levels, 4,515 up, दे दो 15 रुपए extra. Take up an entry until unless you are confident कि भाई मेरा ये जो 4,500 है वहाँ पे आएगा ही आएगा. Then wait for that. Otherwise not. That's why आपको या तो ट्रेल करना है, प्रॉफिट्स में हो तो आपको ट्रेल करना है, और एंट्री लेवल के लिए अगर आपका इफ यू हैव अ जोन ऑफ एन एंट्री एंड इफ it is the price is coming, say it is just 2 or 3 points away, take up an entry. Do not bargain for 2-3 points. ठीक है. HCL Tech we are still 40 rupees in minus. IT we might hear some good news, because even after a bad news from US, who is a major employer for our IT industry, right? And we have not got a big fall. That is a very positive thing, but we have to be very careful. If you have to adhere to stop losses and targets very clearly. Okay. So these are the stocks which we are planning. Tata Motors entry triggered, ABB entry triggered. Trent we will be adding another 30% at these levels for tomorrow. Okay. Those who have missed entry in Tata Motors and ABB, you can take up the entries tomorrow, obviously with the stop loss and the targets intact, and you have to have your own planning. Okay. Chalo. So this have a great and a beautiful expiry of Sensex tomorrow. Safe trading. Keep on earning up the profits. Take care. See you soon.